This is my healthier 4-ingredient mango and lime froyo that tastes better than anything you'll buy at the grocery store. Let's go. To a food processor or blender, add the right mango, yogurt, little honey or agave, lime juice, and give it a blend. Pour it into a dish, cover it, and freeze it until it looks like this. Enjoy and follow for more. If you have 10 minutes, this is the only melon antipasti you need this summer with a honey walnut topping. Let's go. To make these perfect melon balls, you need a melon baller. Place it flat onto any melon and then circle it around until you have a perfect sphere. Add it to a bowl with mini bocconcini and some prosciutto. For the topping, I food processed some almonds, honey, and walnuts, and then I add it on top with some extra honey, garnish with any herbs of choice, and follow for more. I bet you didn't know that if you roast or air fry radishes, they taste like a garlicky, mild potato. And all you do is add them to a bowl with salt, olive oil, garlic, and oregano. Give them a toss and air fry or roast until crispy. Follow for more. Did you know if you add dill, parsley, garlic, jalapeno, and a sweet bell pepper, you can food process it, add cottage cheese, lemon juice, avocado, and salt, you would have just made the healthiest, high-protein green goddess dip. Enjoy, and don't forget, follow for more. When tomatoes are in season, gazpacho is a must. I can eat it every single day. Add the tomatoes, peppers, cucumber, red onion, garlic, jalapeno is optional, olive oil, red wine vinegar, and salt. Add some cold water to thin it out if needed, and follow for more. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is what I make when I only have 10 minutes and want a high-protein, low-carb, healthy breakfast. It's 480 calories and 28 grams of protein. Chop all your fruits, mix them with lime juice, Mike's Hot Honey, and top on top of cottage cheese or even ricotta. Enjoy and follow me for more. If you want to eat and live like an American, make smash burgers. All you do is add onions, then add your burger meat on top, parchment paper, smash it down, little salt, pepper, and mustard. Flip it over, and then you can add your cheese. Once the burgers are ready, serve them up, and don't forget to follow for more. 40% of you said you've never tried fried zucchini flowers, and you're totally missing out. Let's go. This part is optional. Take off that middle stem in the zucchini flower or leave it in. Mix some flour, salt, and baking powder and add in the club soda, or you could use beer instead. Dip in those flowers, make sure the oil is nice and hot, and just fry them in batches. Enjoy, and don't forget to follow me for more. This is the best creamy shrimp salad I've ever had. Let's go. To a pot of water, add the bay leaf, lemon and lemon juice, and salt. Bring it to a boil, take it off the heat, and add in the shrimp. Lid on, let them poach for 3 minutes. Add the shrimp to an ice bath, and in a separate bowl, add the finely diced peppers, red onions, jalapenos, lemon zest, chives, dill, and add in the poached shrimp. Add the mayo, Dijon mustard, relish, and salt and pepper. Give it a toss and follow for more. This is the tutorial I get asked about the most, how to cut a whole pineapple in just 5 minutes. Let's go. Cut off each end of the pineapple with a sharp knife. Starting from the top, you're going to cut all the way down to the bottom, taking off that outer skin, and you can fix any imperfections after. Now cut the fruit around the pineapple, cutting closest to the core, leaving the core behind, which you can compost. Slice and dice the rest of the fruit and follow for more. If you want to eat like a European, make the healthiest potato salad. Let's go. Start by boiling the potatoes until fully cooked in salted water. Drain them, add them to a plate with hard-boiled eggs, lemon zest, thinly sliced red onion, salt to taste, and any herb of choice. Add olive oil, lemon juice, give it a toss, and follow for more. If there's one fruit salsa you need to make this summer, let it be this watermelon mango. Let's go. Start by chopping everything nice and finely. Let go of any stress. This should be therapeutic, so take it easy. I'm adding watermelon, cucumber, and mango. You could use any fruits instead. I'm adding hot peppers, but you could use green bell pepper as well. Red onion, and to dress it up, we're going to add parsley or cilantro, lime juice, olive oil, and tahini. Follow me for more. On a hot summer day, all I want is cold cherry juice. All you're gonna do is add cherries to a big pot of water with red plums, apples, and golden raisins. You're gonna boil this for about an hour, strain it, make sure it's nice and chilled, enjoy, and follow for more. If you've never tried Mexican street corn, you're seriously missing out. It's the best corn in the world. Let's go. I brush the corn with some oil, grill it on the barbecue until it's nice and charred. You could boil it as well. Let it cool, insert a bamboo skewer, and make the sauce. Mayo, chipotle chili pepper, and lime. Brush that sauce on the corn, roll it in some cotija cheese, a little bit of tahini on top, some parsley or cilantro, and follow for more. This watermelon carpaccio is so good, I've made it 4 times this week. Let's go. Cut a piece of watermelon into a thick rectangle, slice it nice and thinly, add it to a plate with hot honey, feta, crushed walnuts, and mint. Enjoy, and don't forget to follow for more. This is what I make when I only have 10 minutes and want a high protein, low carb lunch that's so healthy. It has 370 calories and 26 grams of protein. Pass all your veggies through the chopper, add a little olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Serve it over cottage cheese or even the ricotta. Enjoy, and don't forget to follow me for more. Cutting watermelon like this into popsicle sticks is always a crowd pleaser. I dust it with tahini and it's heaven. Cut the watermelon in half, flat side down, and very carefully make lengthwise cuts with a sharp knife. Rotate the watermelon and make perpendicular cuts. Now you have these beautiful popsicle sticks that you can fan out, enjoy, and follow for more. Lettuce does not belong in an authentic Greek salad, so stop making these mistakes and make it the right way. Let's go. In case you didn't know, this is huriatiki salata, which is the world's most loved salad. It consists of tomato, cucumber, green bell pepper, and onion. Add everything to a bowl with kalamata olives, salt, olive oil, and red wine vinegar. Give it a toss, top it off with some blocks of feta, oregano, and extra olive oil. Follow for more. Did you know that if you take mini brie cheese and roast it on an open fire or at home, you can make the best savory s'mores? And all you need is mini crisps, your favorite brie cheese, prosciutto, and a little bit of jam. Roast it up, assemble, and don't forget to follow for more. If you want to live like an Italian, make affogato. You're going to add vanilla gelato to a cup and a shot of Italian espresso. Enjoy and follow for more.